Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up on Xero. So first is head over to Xero.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on Accounting, then click on Advanced. And from here, click on Export Accounting Data. And now for you to be able to back up important data from your Xero account, the most efficient way is to export your data from Xero. Now start by selecting a product that you would like to back up. So since Xero doesn't support or have the full automated backup system, you can still manually export your data and keep them safely and have an access on them anytime. Now start by selecting a product that you would like to back up. Say for example, we're going to pick this one. Next is select the date range for the selected product. Start by choosing date from and date to. And now here are the documents available from this product. You can start downloading it by clicking on the download link. In that way, you can keep your hands on your important data from Xero. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!